Hello everyone, it is Team Rolling Stones and now we are going to show you a demo of our project Digital Alarm Clock on a Simul IDE. So first of all we load our program and start Atmega. First of all we will see welcome message and some instructions. For example, what buttons we should press. Now we are in the mode when we should enter current date. So you can press this button uh, for putting value down, this for putting value up, and this button to change state to the next field. So our system is set in such a way that, for example, if we make February 2020 and go to the day, we could enter 29th of February. So also it will not allow you to enter some wrong values. For example, you cannot set February 29 of the year, of the not leap year. So we set some values. First of all, date, then time. For example, 4 p.m. 7 seconds. So now when time is set, we can press button 2 and go to the menu. In menu you can choose one of three modes: watch mode, alarm and stopwatch. In watch mode you can just see the time, how it's going. Then to exit this mode you should press button 2. We can set alarm by button 1. So here you can see that to change value we should press button 0, button 1, and to apply change we should tap button 2. So we set PM, 4 p.m., 9 minutes, 10 minutes, let's say. So now when 10th minute will come, our alarm will ring. So while it is going, I can show you stopwatch. Stopwatch, from menu you should press second button. Here some instruction: to play and pause you should press button 0. For lap you should press button 1, and to exit button 2. So here we can start our timer. And for example, let's say you are running laps. So when you run one laps, you can press button, and it will be updated here, and time of the lap will be here. So next lap, like this. So to exit you can press B2. So here you can see that our LEDs start blinking. That means that our alarm, yes, now it's 4:10, our alarm start. It will long for 1 minute and after it stops. Of course, at any time you can change alarm time. So it was a brief demo of our project. Thank you for watching.